You know the exact humiliating feeling of instinctively pulling your short away from your stomach the second you sit down. In clothes, you look perfectly fine. People probably even think you are athletic. But the second you take that shirt off in front of a mirror, the absolute reality is devastating. Your shoulders are narrow, your chest is flat, your arms look like a teenager's. Yet somehow you have a soft, protruding gut and heavy love handles hanging over your waistline. You are trapped in biological purgatory. You have the worst of both worlds. You feel physically weak, but you look soft. I know exactly what you are doing to try and fix it, because I did the same thing. You are starving yourself. You are running on the treadmill for hours, eating tiny salads and obsessing over the scale going down. But as the weight drops, you do not look better. You just look like a smaller, weaker, highly depleted version of the exact same soft body. Then out of sheer frustration, you try the opposite. You try to bulk. You eat everything inside, hoping to build a massive chest. Instead, every single calorie goes directly to your stomach and your face. Your arms and chest remain exactly the same size, while your waistline expands. The fitness industry routinely misdiagnoses this as a weight loss problem, overlooking the severe lack of structural muscle that defines the frame. Escaping this trap requires a mechanical reboot of your metabolism that will completely reconfigure your physical frame. You have to move past the cycle of endless cardio and starvation. The first step is to stop trying to lose weight. You must begin treating your body like it desperately lacks armor. Look at the mechanics of this 3D wireframe. A human frame requires muscular tension to stay upright. When the upper back and chest lack mass, the shoulder slump and the spine compresses. This slouch forces the midsection to spill forward, making a small amount of fat look like a protruding gut, simply because there is no structural scaffolding to hold the skeleton in place. Your singular mission in the gym is to send a mechanical signal to your central nervous system to build that missing tissue. You are not there to burn calories. You are there to force your body to support its own weight. This requires heavy, highly controlled tension on your lateral deltoids and your lats. By forcing your body to widen your back and cap your shoulders, you create a new dominant frame. You are expanding the upper horizontal axis of your body, which creates the visual effect of a waist that is tightly pulled inward. This structural shift is powered by a metabolic process called body recomposition. To trigger it, you eat at absolute maintenance, the exact number of calories your body needs to survive, while flooding your bloodstream with high-quality protein. Muscle tissue is metabolically expensive to maintain, and even more difficult to build. Synthesizing new fiber requires massive amounts of biological energy. When you apply heavy mechanical tension in the gym, your body prioritizes muscle repair as a critical survival adaptation. Because you aren't eating in excess of calories, your brain is forced to find an alternative energy source to fund this construction. Your biology begins to extract fuel from your visceral belly fat, melting down those yellow cells into raw metabolic energy. This energy is then channeled through the bloodstream to physically build the new chest and shoulder muscles you are training in the gym. You are using your own body fat as the fuel to forge your armor. Your body becomes a furnace where fat is sacrificed to build structure. This is a pure exchange of energy. As your shoulders get wider, your stomach gets flatter. The result is a dominant biological illusion. As this geometric overlay shows, widening the shoulders mathematically changes the angle of your frame. Even if your waist measurement stays the same, the expanding V-taper makes your midsection look significantly smaller. The softness vanishes, replaced by a dense, hard, structural reality. You are no longer just thin, you are built. The irony is that the scale might not move a single pound for 3 months, yet the reflection in the mirror will transform into an entirely different human being. Stop being the guy who hides behind a loose t-shirt. Stop running on the treadmill and starving your biology. Pick up the heavy iron, force the adaptation, and build the frame you were meant to carry.